Looks like it's your move, my friend.
Yes, I know. I'm just waiting.
Don't wait too long, time's running out.
Oh, I've got to move, all right. Checkmate.
Hi everyone, Keith Wilson here, spreading a wealth of information. Listen, hey, December 31st, it's going to be here before you know it. So now is the time to take a look at your finances so you'll be ready for 2021. Here are 5 financial moves to make before the end of the year. Number 1, check your FSA or flexible spending account. If there is any money sitting in there, look at ways to spend that for medical expenses before the end of the year. If you don't use it, you lose it. Although some employers offer a 2.5-month extension or maybe a $500 carryover. So perhaps look at some ways you can use that money now, such as dental care, routine doctor visits, or why don't you go ahead and get a 3-month supply on your prescription drugs. Number 2, speaking of medical expenses, open enrollment for health insurance plans. Hey, it's in full force, both with perhaps your employer plan or the marketplace. And health insurance coverage, it usually changes every year, and it's, I know it's easy to overlook, so shop around for the plan that best suits your needs. May take some time to compare, but here's the thing, you don't want to be surprised with higher copays, deductibles, and premiums next year. Also, you may want to consider an HSA eligible plan that could possibly save you a lot in premiums. Number 3, everybody's been talking about Roth conversions this year, and even you may have had it in the back of your mind, but now's the time to explore this option because time's running out. So, consider taking action on that Roth conversion. But remember, there are no income limits to convert your IRA to a Roth. This is commonly known as the backdoor Roth conversion. Now, here's the thing, you're gonna pay tax on the amount you convert, but when you retire, those distributions come out tax-free. Who knows what new tax policies will come down the pike? So check with your tax professional, see what amount would make sense to convert. Number 4, the holidays, hey, they're coming up. We're right in the middle of it. And in a year like we've had in 2020, it's going to be tempting to have what we call retail therapy and to overspend. So take some time to set some limits and stick with a budget. And I know that sounds like a bad word, but here's a tip. Don't forget to utilize any cash back rewards you may have racked up and deploy that cash for your holiday spending. So number 5, tax loss harvesting. Okay, what is that? That's when you sell a security. It could be a stock, perhaps a mutual fund. You sell it at a loss to offset any gains you would have in other securities, and you can deduct up to $3,000. Now, this doesn't work with IRAs. It only works with what we call non-qualified accounts. Also, you have to consider what is called the washout rule, where if you bought the same type of security that you sold within 30 days, then it really negates that purpose and it's washed out. It takes purposeful planning, and you're going to have to avoid some common pitfalls. So check with your financial professional before implementing this strategy. But it can be a great tool in reducing capital gains tax. Now, I know with my clients, I implement this strategy at this time of the year all the time. Now, in a perfect world, obviously you should be reviewing your finances throughout the year, but sometimes, well, we all know that that just doesn't happen. But it's not too late to review these financial items to get your finances in order before the end of the year. Hey, if you'd like to see more videos like this discussing personal finance, be sure to hit that subscribe button below, and I would really appreciate it. And remember to be wise with your money.